Replacing a power meter. Remove the maintenance compartment cover. Remove the upper left cover from the maintenance compartment. Remove the faulty power meter. Remove the cables from the faulty power meter. Connect the cables to a new power meter based on the cable labels. Mount the power meter onto the guide rail and push to clamp it. Install the upper left cover to the maintenance compartment. Install the maintenance compartment cover.